Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare Chime and Chime Pro to help you decide which one is right for your real estate business and if it's really worth to upgrade into a pro plan. Starting with Chime. This standard version is great for solo agents or small teams. You get all the essential tools like lead generation, marketing automation, and an AI assistant to help nurture leads. It's super easy to use, and you can even run social media ads and build IDX website right from the platform. If you're just starting out or don't need anything too complex, Chime has you covered at an affordable price. Now let's talk about Chime Pro. This is the upgraded version and it's packed with advanced features. You get enhanced lead routing, more customization options for your workflow and website, and deeper analytics to track how your leads and team are performing. It's perfect for larger teams that need more control and insight into their operations, but keep in mind it's more expensive. So which should you really choose? Well, if you're a solo agent or a small team, Chime will likely give you everything you need. But if you're managing a bigger team and want more advanced tool, then Chime Pro is worth the investment.